Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to reverse a given single linked list. Maybe in the previous few videos, we have seen some of the other operations like how to perform the insertion and deletion operation in case of a single linked list and so on. Let's discuss this particular function, how to reverse a given single linked list. Before coming up with a function, let's assume that this is the given single linked list, and as I told earlier, our objective is I need to reverse the single linked list. After reversing, the content of the list should be 40, 30, 20 and 10. Now let's see how exactly it can be carried out. Anyway, I know the address of the single linked list. To reverse this single linked list, I need to traverse the linked list from the beginning till end. So what we'll do, we'll have a variable by name current which holds the address of the single linked list, and we'll have two more variables, one as previous which is pointing to null, and let's have one more variable and one more temporary variable, let me call it as a temp only. Even this temp initially is not holding the address of the it is not holding the address of any node. Now what we are supposed to do, until I'll just write it here, until current not equal to null, what we are supposed to do is traverse all these three, in the sense make sure that current is traversed to the next node, previous is traversed to the current, as well as previous of link, let me point it to temp. That means until current not equal to temp, let me make first thing as temp as previous. Previous is equal to current. Current is equal to current of address. And let's check what happens if I make a previous of address pointing to temp. Now with this scenarios, now we know that current is not equal to null because it is holding the address of the first node. Now temp as previous, anyway temp and previous are pointing to null, there is no problem. Now previous is equal to current, so this becomes my previous, and current is equal to current of address. Current is made point to the next node, and previous of address is equal to temp. Now what is there in previous of address? Previous of address is pointing to current. Now make previous of address pointing to temp. What is there in temp? Temp is holding nothing, so temp is null. So I will write this particular node 10 here. Node 10, where this is the previous. Previous of address is equal to temp. What is there in temp? Temp is null, so it implies that previous of temp, previous of address is equal to temp. So this is my first iteration. Let's go for the second iteration. In the second iteration, until current not equal to null. Current is not equal to null because current is holding the address of the second node. Now make temp to hold the address of previous. Now temp is pointing here, that is, it is holding the address of the actual first node. Now previous is pointing to current, and current is pointing to the next node. Current is equal to current of address. Now previous of address is equal to temp. Now what is there in previous? This was my previous. Previous of address pointing to temp. Now previous of address is actually pointing to current. Now previous of address should be pointing to temp. Temp is holding the address of the first node. Now rewrite this here. This was my previous, wherein 20 was there, and temp is a node wherein information 10 is there. So previous of address is equal to temp. So previous of address is equal to temp because this was my temp. So this was the second iteration. Third iteration, now call this as temp. Temp is changed. Now call this as previous. and call this as current. Now previous of address is equal to temp. This is my temp. This is 30. Now current not equal to null. Now also current is not equal to null because current is holding the address of the last node. Now this becomes temp. The next node becomes, this node becomes previous, and this node becomes current. Current is now null. Now last step, previous of address is equal to temp. Previous of address is pointing to temp. Temp is nothing but node 30. Node 30 is here. So this is 40 address. So we are done. Now which node became your first node? It is node 40. Node 40 is nothing but your previous. Finally, I am supposed to return the address of previous. Hope this is clear. Now we'll put this in the form of a function. Function return type as node. Function name as reverse. Argument to the function is the reference of my list, which is nothing but node start, which contains the address of the first node. Now node temp. What all I use? Temp, I'll initially hold point to null, previous pointing to null, and one more variable current. Now if list is empty, I can't reverse it. So I'll just write this condition. If start is equal to null, printf list empty. List empty, return null. Now if list is there, what we are supposed to do? Make current to hold the address of the first node, while current not equal to null, temp is equal to previous equals current is equal to current of address, and then finally previous of address pointing to temp. So this was the statement that we have analyzed earlier. Now at the end we are supposed to return the address of the last node which was there in previous. Return previous. Close the function. This should be clear. Hope this is fine. This is about how to reverse a given single linked list. Thank you.